Now we are going to see sum number 1 of exercise 7.2. The question says, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O. So here is an isosceles triangle ABC. So that means this side AB is equal to this side AC. It is the given information AB equal to AC. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect at O. So OB is the bisector of this angle B. So this OB cuts this full angle into two equal halves. So like that, angle C is also bisected by this ray OC. So this OC cuts this angle into two equal halves. This half is equal to this half. Now we have to show that OB is equal to OC. We have to show that this line OB is equal to this line OC. So first you have to write the given information. So now we will look at this information more. OB and OC are bisectors. See, if I have an angle like this, it's 60 degrees. Let this be angle B. So one ray OB is coming and cutting this into two equal halves. So this will become 30 degrees and this will become 30 degrees because 60 degrees divided by 2 is 30 degrees. So here what happens? We have two angles, angle OBC and this angle ABO. So what happens is angle ABO is equal to OBC is equal to half of angle B, because you know OB is cutting this angle B into two equal halves. So we can write from OC bisector also, and now we can write for this same part. This angle is equal to this angle. What we have to prove? We have to prove OB is equal to OC. So let's start the proof. So in this triangle ABC, it is given AB is equal to AC. This side is equal to this side. Given. So when AB is equal to AC, we know that the angle opposite to this side. So the angle opposite to AC is this angle B. So angle B is equal to, now what is the, see here AB is there. Now what is the angle opposite to AB? It is this angle C. It's opposite to this side AB. So I will write angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle are equal. We will write angles opposite to equal sides. Now what I am going to do, since we have half angle B, half angle C, here angle B is there. So I will multiply by half on both the sides. Half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. Now look at this information. This one. Since I don't have space, I will rub this part here. Now I'm going to rub this. Now half of angle B. What is half of angle B? It is angle OBC. Angle OBC is equal to, what is half of angle C? It is angle OCB. OCB. Now angle OBC is this angle and angle OCB is this angle. Now we have in triangle OBC, this angle is equal to this angle. So now the side opposite to this angle will also be equal, because we have learned that sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So now it becomes that OB is equal to OC. Side opposite to angle OCB is this side OB. OB is equal to, this side opposite to angle OBC is this side OC. Reason is sides opposite to equal angles. So that's what we had to prove in the question. OB is equal to OC. We have proved it here. So hence proved. Now we have second subdivision for this question. We have to prove AO bisects angle A. So this AO, we have to prove that this AO bisects this angle A. This AO is cutting, we have to prove that this AO is cutting this angle A into two equal halves. So let's start the proof. So we will use congruency to prove this. So we will take these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle AOC. This triangle and this triangle. This triangle and this triangle. So in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, AB is equal to AC. This was given. So we will write given. And OB is equal to OC. We have proved in the previous subdivision, subdivision 1. OB is equal to OC. Proved in subdivision 1. And you can see that in triangle AOB, AOC, both these triangles share this common side AO. If I draw like this and if I draw like this, it's sharing this common side AO. So AO is equal to AO, common side. So we have side, 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 S, S, S. So we have this side and this side. All are sides. So by SSS congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. So what we have to prove actually, we have to prove AO bisects angle A. That means this also implies angle OAB is equal to angle OAC. That's what bisecting meaning is. This angle is equal to this angle. Now let us see here. We have proved that these two triangles are congruent. So this implies, see, I am going to take this letter. First, second, third. 1, 2, 3. O is the first letter, A is the second letter, B is the third letter. OAB, second letter, first letter, third letter. So I have to take the same order here also. Second letter, first letter, third letter. So this is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. When two triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle are equal. So if we place these two triangles on top of one another, it will be overlapping. It will look like one triangle. So all the parts of the triangle will be equal. So this is just a shortcut of how to write the CPCT. OAB is equal to OAC. So that's what we have to prove. So this implies AO bisects angle A. Hence proved.